Hey y'all, need a cute and easy holiday style? Well, look no further. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this look using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier collection from the Main Choice. Of course, you need to start off on clean hair, and the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Shampoo is formulated to cleanse your hair without stripping and to enhance and define your curls. It has the perfect balance of clarification, moisture, and hydration. I love how clean my scalp feels after I use this shampoo. I follow that up with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut 5-minute reviving mask. This mask deeply penetrates the hair shaft, softens and minimizes frizz, and it's my favorite mask to use when I'm short on time or I just don't feel like sitting under the dryer, because 5 minutes is all you need. And in that 5 minutes, I could take a shower, shave my legs, whatever, and rinse it out and go on by my business. And moving on to the style, all I did was part a small section off to the side where I would put in my flat twist. And then I proceeded to twist my hair using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbet. This sherbet helps to define and shape your curls while providing the perfect balance of hold and moisture, and it also adds a nice shine to your hair, which I love. I added the curl boosting sherbet to my small section, smoothed it in, and then brushed through it with my Tangle Tamer and twisted it up, and it's just as simple as that. Now all throughout my hair, I'm just going to do a simple 2-strand twist until I get to that small section that I have for my flat twist. What I did to avoid adding too much product is just add the product to the entire section and smooth it through my hair and then twist. And at the very front of my hair, I decided to do a small flat twist just so that my roots would lay better towards the front of my hair. And I love this sherbet because it does not leave my hair weighed down, but as y'all have seen, it definitely leaves my hair defined and full of body and volume. So moving on to my little section for my flat twist, like I said, I just added the sherbet to the entire section and smoothed it in and then brushed it through, adding more to my ends to make sure my ends were nice and moisturized. And I'll just brush it in and then begin parting to start my flat twist. And I found that letting my hair dry a little bit before trying to do flat twists or even braids help them to just look better and form better. And I flat twist all the way until the end where I can no longer flat twist, and then I add a rubber band and then finish twisting. That way when I unravel those twists, the entire flat twist doesn't unravel. And I think this is a really cute and easy style. Like, I'm no hairstylist. Coming up with styles isn't easy for me, which is why I do the same styles over and over pretty much. But I feel like these flat twists really jazzed it up a little bit. And this is my style all set. And what I did was I sat underneath a hooded dryer for about 40 minutes. And when I came out, this is what I was left with. As y'all can see, my hair is super shiny and soft. Of course, y'all can't feel it, but it is soft and shiny. And look at that definition from these twists. My hair is so soft, and unraveling my twist is so easy because my hair is so moisturized, so my twists are not snagging. I just love this sherbet, y'all. And look at all that shine. Here's an up close look. Look at all that shine and definition. So after separating my hair and fluffing my hair, this is my finished look. And as you can see, I added some hair jewelry, which really set it off and made this style super duper cute. The entire Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier collection can be found at your local Sally Beauty as well as themainchoice.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow The Main Choice on all of their social media, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.